Hey, if you're watching this video, you're likely frustrated because you can't log into latakoo. We're here to help. So this is the most common support call or email we get. If you're confident you're entering the correct username or SSO ID and password, which those are case sensitive, the next thing we're going to tell you to do is clear your cache. What does that mean? We're not talking about cash money. We're talking about CACHE. They sound exactly the same. So cache is hardware or software that is used to store something, usually data, in this case, passwords. It's great, it's very convenient when you have all of your passwords saved for all of the programs that you log into, but where it's not so great is when you change that password and then it's trying to use the old one and you don't realize it. So that's why this step is important. So the steps for clearing your cache, they're different depending on which web browser you use. So if you use Safari, what I always do, which I use Safari, I just Google how to clear cache Safari. Or if you use Chrome, Google how to clear cache Chrome, and the steps will appear right in front of you. I use Safari, so I'm going to screen share and show you real quickly how you clear cache if you're using the Safari browser. All right, so you should be able to see my screen now. And up here at the top, you'll see the word Safari. So click on that and then scroll down to Preferences. Up here at the top, you'll click over on the Advanced tab. And the first step is making sure that you have this box checked that says Show Develop Menu in Menu Bar. Then the word Develop will appear up here. You click it and you scroll down and you click on Empty Caches. Done. That's it. It is good to take one final step and clear your browser history. So you can do that by going back up to Safari, clicking Clear History, and then you can clear that history. It's good to just do all history and then go again and try to log into latakoo. And 9 times out of 10, people say, that worked, I'm in. So hopefully this helped. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.